If I want to convert, suppose I want to convert 111101 point dot or radix point or decimal point 11 into decimal. This is my given binary number. How I can convert this into decimal? Can someone, if you know the answer, please let me know. It is simple only. It is simple procedure.
Point
Like
11 into 10.
point 11 into.
10. 10.
Okay, okay. Sorry. What you are saying is wrong. Listen, listen, listen.
1
What? What?
into 2 power minus 1.
Very good. Very good. Very good. I don't know your number. Very good. First, let us separate integer part as well as fractional part. Integer part. This is my integer part, and this is my fractional part. This is my integer part. Okay. This is my integer part. Integer conversion we already know. Integer conversion everyone know. Tell me what is the procedure integer conversion.
Multiplication method.
Positional weights. We should multiply the positional values with the positional weights. First we have to identify the position. First we have to identify the position. Where we should start while giving the position values. What is the first positional value? Where we should start giving the positional value?
Right.
From
Right to left.
rightmost means before a decimal point we should start giving the positions as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We are giving positional positions. These are the positions. Based on the position only we are giving the positional weights. Based on the position only we are giving the positional weights. Now if it is a fractional, now after fractional point, then here also we are giving the positions as -1 and -2. Why? Because there in the given example only two bits are there, -1 and -2, and we are following the same positional weights multiplication only. Now see how I am converting this into 1 into 2 power 4. I hope everyone know how to convert integer part. Just I am not doing any calculations. 1 into 2 cube. Just I want to write the expression 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Once again, what we are doing here, plus we have to add fractional part also. Plus, what is the positional value? 1. 1 into 2 power minus 1. 1 into 2 power minus 1. 1 into 2 power minus 1. Plus 1 into 2 power minus 2. 1 into 2 power minus 2. Now this part, the fraction here, you should place a point, decimal point. Okay. Why? Because after 5 digit it is a decimal point. Okay. Here you should place a decimal point. Now this we can write it as 1 by 2. This we can write it as 1 by 2 plus this I can write it as 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square. This will become 0.5. This will become 1 by 4 means 0.25, I think so, plus 0.25. Am I correct? What I am doing? The
Yes, sir.
calculation part. Now
Yes,
here
sir.
you should put a decimal point and you can sum up all the values. The result what you are getting is the final given the required decimal number. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you clear this point? Now, if it is a octal, what we should do? Suppose here I am writing a one more example. Let's see here. 236, 236.12, 236.12 of base 8. How I am converting this into decimal? I want answer in the next session. I can ask you answer for the next session. What about the integer part? What we should do? The same
Long
thing. Long, not long division, multiplication.
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 What about the fractional part?
8 power minus 1, 8 power
1 is
minus
to
2.
10 to
The same procedure what we are following here regarding the fractional part. Regarding the fractional part, what we have done in the binary, here also you are doing the same thing. Here also you have to do 1 into 8 power minus 1, 2 into 8 power minus 2. Okay, if you perform all the additions, then what you are going to get is the required decimal number system.